Welcome to GReduakademy, and this is your host Gantavya Darbari, and we are doing chemistry for class 9th, and this is my 5th lecture. Okay, so let us move in the class. Let us see today what we will do. In the last class, we have done the numerical mass by mass ratio. So we all know that solution is solvent plus solute. Solute is in smaller quantity and solvent is in larger quantity. Now let us take another example in which both the solute and the solvent both are in liquid state. Both are in liquid state, but always remember the unit should be same. Okay. So concentration of solution equal to volume of solute upon volume of solution. Always remember what is volume of solution? Solvent plus solute into 100. Now let us take one question. In the question, for example, we are adding 20 milliliter of alcohol in, let us take 80 milliliter of water. And what we have to find? The concentration of solution. As you can see, both are in the same unit, so no issues are there. So first, as we all know, what is the first step? First, we will write what is given. So the volume of solute, it is 20 ml. What is the volume of solvent? Here solvent is water, 80 ml. And what is the volume of solution? How will you get it? By adding 20 plus 80. So what we are getting? It is 100 ml. Okay. Let us write 100 ml. So in this question, what we have seen that the mass of solvent is 80, that is water, and mass of solute is 20. And what we have to find? We have to find the concentration of solution. So write the formula: concentration of solution equal to, what is the volume of solute? 20. What is the volume of solution? Always remember we have to write the volume of solution. It is 100. And we have to find the percent. So what answer will come? It is 20%. So the concentration of solution is 20%. So in this example, what we have seen that if both solute and solvent are in liquid state, we will find the concentration by finding the volume of solute upon the volume of solution into 100. So in this example, I think it is clear. So you do practice some more question based on it so that the concept will be more clear. Okay, that's it for today. Please subscribe my channel so that you can get the latest update of the upcoming videos. That's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.